Hello, good morning. How are you today? I'm fine, thank you. How are you today? Great. Today we are going to talk about science. So now you have to know that when we make an experiment, we have to watch with our eyes. You remember your eyes? But scientists also use another instrument to watch. Scientists use a microscope like this to watch small things that we can watch clearly with our eyes.
A microscope is a scientific instrument that makes extremely small things look larger. Look, for example, this girl takes a piece of cloth and takes a closer look under the microscope. It's like a powerful eye.
The number 2 is a telescope. Scientists use this to watch the sky, the stars, and other planets, alright? So you can see things that are far away, bigger, and closer to you.
If you want to know what's happening in the sky, take a telescope. For example, this boy can watch our wonderful moon bigger and closer. Incredible.
Number 3 is magnifying glass. Scientists like you and me and you, can use this to observe and watch small details.
Take your magnifying glass with your hands and explore.
Wow! Ooh, look at that! Goodbye, beetle. A magnifying glass. What a clever thing.
With these 3 instruments, you can watch clearly. So the small things look bigger and you can see other colors. You can see how the things change. Okay, now I have 2 activities for you. Okay, in the number 1 you will need an acrylic marker, a plate, and water. Alright, in the plate you have to draw a person with a clear acrylic marker. Okay, remember the head, the arms, the legs, the chest. Alright, in the number 2 you will need just a magnifying glass. You have to walk around in your garden and try to find small things that look bigger and larger with your magnifying glass. Remember, you have to take notes and let me know with a picture what did you find. Bye bye.